Supporting and functional characters help anchor your story. They are the chorus line that makes the narrative breathe. Without them, the world feels flat and incomplete. In this video, we'll explore why these characters act like the lungs of a story. Supporting and functional characters surround the protagonist and antagonist. They shape the emotional, thematic, and narrative texture, offer contrast, pressure, companionship, or clarity. They may not drive the plot, but they are essential to its depth and momentum. They reveal sides of the main characters that would otherwise stay hidden. Supporting characters deepen the world, sharpen the protagonist, carry emotional or thematic ideas that the story cannot express directly. They influence the protagonist from the edges, add pressure, offer comfort, reveal blind spots, expand the emotional range of the narrative. They act as mirrors, catalysts, counterweights. Each one shifts the protagonist's path in ways the protagonist cannot achieve alone. They make the world feel lived in, relational, and human. There are several types of supporting characters that strengthen a story. Allies stand beside the protagonist, share their goals like Chewbacca in Star Wars, Samwise Gamgee in The Lord of the Rings, or Horatio in Hamlet. Mentors offer wisdom, challenges that help the protagonist grow, such as Alfred in The Dark Knight, Atticus Finch in To Kill a Mockingbird, or Linda Lohman in Death of a Salesman. Confidants give the protagonist a safe space to express their inner thoughts, like Donkey in Shrek, Dr. Watson in Sherlock Holmes, or Brutus in Julius Caesar before his betrayal. Love interests complicate or deepen the protagonist's arc, such as Ilsa in Casablanca, Elizabeth Bennet in Pride and Prejudice, or Eliza Doolittle in Pygmalion and My Fair Lady. Foils reveal the protagonist's strengths and weaknesses through contrast, like Apollo Creed in Rocky, Tom Buchanan in The Great Gatsby, or Iago in Othello. Sidekicks support the protagonist, highlight their qualities such as Piglet in Winnie the Pooh or Sancho Panza in Man of La Mancha. Secondary antagonists are not the main villain, but still create obstacles, like Anton Chigurh in No Country for Old Men or Judge Turpin in Sweeney Todd. Functional characters serve a clear narrative purpose. They advance the plot, deliver information, raise stakes, embody themes, trigger turning points, represent social forces. Their presence strengthens the structure of the story. Characters who deliver information help the audience understand the world, stakes, or context, such as Basil Exposition in Austin Powers, Mr. Collins in Pride and Prejudice, or the stage manager in Our Town. Characters who raise the stakes make the protagonist's journey more urgent, like Rue in The Hunger Games, Mercutio in Romeo and Juliet, or Inspector Ghoul in An Inspector Calls. Characters who embody a theme make an idea visible, such as the Joker representing chaos in The Dark Knight, the Ghost representing memory in A Christmas Carol, or the Ghost representing revenge in Hamlet. Characters who trigger turning points shift the protagonist's direction, like the Propo team in Mockingjay, Mr. Darcy's letter in Pride and Prejudice, or the Messenger in Oedipus Rex. Characters who represent a social force stand in for institutions or ideologies, like the bureaucrats in Brazil. Some characters appear only briefly but carry symbolic or emotional weight, such as the girl in the red coat in Schindler's List, the drunk man in Gatsby's Library, or the boy delivering the letter in A Doll's House. Characters who sharpen the story's architecture, clarify structure, or reinforce themes, like Brooks in The Shawshank Redemption, the townspeople in To Kill a Mockingbird, or the chorus in Antigone. Supporting and functional characters give a story depth, texture, structure. They widen the world beyond the protagonist's perspective, carry information, pressure, symbolism, social context that the main character alone cannot hold. Whether they appear briefly or throughout the story, they shape turning points, illuminate themes, heighten emotional and moral stakes. They form the quiet architecture beneath the plot, subtle but essential, ensuring the story resonates far beyond the protagonist's arc. In the next video, we will explore stereotypes, a prepackaged character idea that relies on cliches instead of lived, specific human detail. Like and subscribe for more content from The Writing Studio.